Hi there, this is Mary from the IPS TV. Let's continue with the consonant cluster, and today we are going to do with cl sound. How do I say? Just remember that to make the k sound, you have to raise the back of your tongue, okay, and then it has to touch the gum bridge. So we have k, k. But remember that it is without vibration. That means no vibration here. K, k, just like you are whispering. K. And this is la, la. Remember, after the upper teeth. La, la, k, la, k, la. But you cannot separate like that. You have to say it quickly, stick them together, but in a natural way. So, kla, kla. For example, you cannot say glass, clean, clear. You have to say class, clean, clear. Now, so let's get started. Now, remember we have 3 stages. First, we make sure that we have correct pronunciation. Pronunciation first, and after that we will practice some more time so that we can have fluency. Okay, we can feel it natural, and after that we will do with the speed. Okay, so first now, class, 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 class for British English, for American English, class, class, class. This one, clean, clean, clean. This one, clear, clear, clear. Close, close, close. Clerk, clerk, clerk. And this is American English, I have to say. So usually I would try to teach you British English first, and after that I would introduce the American accent. I mean like American pronunciation. But here, why? Because I usually pronounce it as clerk. You know, E and R together, it is I think it is much easier to remember these long just like her. So this is clerk. It is much easier to remember. But for British English, they say Clark. I mean, that is long R, Clark. British English, Clark. American English, clerk, clerk. But I love to say clerk. Much easier to remember. Okay, this one, clothes. Remember th, we have to put our tongue between our teeth. So clothes, clothes, clothes. But as a short form, you don't have to pronounce this. You can say clothes, clothes. Okay, that is still okay. Next, climb, climb, climb. This one, cloud, cloud, cloud. Claim, claim, claim. Clock, clock. One more time. Class, clean, clear, close, clerk, clothes, climb, cloud, claim, clock. Next, here we have now clever, clever, clever. Client, client, client. Clinic, clinic, clinic. Here, classic, classic, classic. Climate, climate, climate. Clarify, clarify, clarify. Clipper, clipper, clipper. Cluster, cluster, cluster. Clothing, clothing, clothing. Classroom, classroom, classroom. So again, clever, client, clinic, classic, climate, clarify, clipper, cluster, clothing. Third column, please. The third column, Now remember here, cla in the middle of a word, so it's quite tricky. So just be patient, Now, include, include, include. Here, conclude, conclude, conclude. Nuclear, clear, nuclear, nuclear. This frankly, frankly, frankly. Declare, 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 declare. Reclaim, reclaim, reclaim. Acclaim, acclaim, acclaim. Nightclub, night here, and night here, and after that it is a k sound. That is a consonant you don't have to pronounce here. You don't have to say nightclub. You can say nightclub, nightclub. I mean, like, not really, you don't have to pronounce it. Like, you don't have to make the plosive T. Like, you don't have to say nightclub. You can say nightclub, nightclub, This, decline, decline, decline. This, exclusive, 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 sorry, one more time. Include, conclude, nuclear, frankly, declare, reclaim, acclaim, nightclub, decline, exclusive. So next, here, the last one. As I told you many times, remember, like, if a word ends with O sound like this, and then before it is a consonant sound, L here is pronounced O, okay? L sound, and this is K, O, ko. So, very easy, bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. Article, article, article. Or T that is not stressed, you can pronounce article. Here, recycle, recycle, recycle. Miracle, miracle, miracle. Uncle, uncle. Circle, circle. Ankle, ankle. Vehicle, vehicle. Cycle, cycle. Obstacle, obstacle. So again, obstacle. So one more time. Bicycle, article, recycle, miracle, uncle, circle, ankle, vehicle, cycle, obstacle. But I have to say that vehicle here, usually for American English and British English, you can pronounce vehicle, vehicle. But also in American English, just in American English, you can pronounce vehicle, vehicle. That is still okay, but usually people will pronounce vehicle. Now, here, examples 1, 2, 3, 1. That clerk is very clever. That clerk is very clever. Clerk, clever. That clerk is very clever. We are close to the clinic. We are close to the clinic. Close, clinic. We are close to the clinic. His uncle is riding the bicycle. His uncle is riding the bicycle. Uncle, bicycle. His uncle is riding the bicycle. So very easy, right? Goodbye, see ya.